Hey folks, just got a tuner here to look at for a friend of mine. It's an Yaesu Fc-301 antenna tuner. It's supposed to be able to show SWR as well as power output up to 500 watts. And this is the internals of that tuner. I'll give you a little shot through here. Everything seems sturdy enough, nothing broken, nothing moving. The only thing that I find interesting with this one, the band switch, well, it's meant for amateur radio bands, obviously. 10, 15, 20, 40, 80, 160 high, 160 low, and then direct. So what I'm trying to do, got an old antenna outside, tuning. It's hooked up to an old, my god, yep, CB radio, heaven forbid. And trying to adjust SWR with this unit. So I put the SWR set all the way over. You're supposed to move this feller here to put this line to the set mark as specified. But when I key this up, test 1 2 1 2 1 2, it does not at all go over there. That's the rear. So put it back on 25 watts. Radio is only 4. Well, on a good day. So doing about 4 watts. And I just can't set the SWR with this unit. Now, I have this Macronta SWR meter put on the radio end, between the radio and the tuner, so I can see the SWR and power between both of them here like that. So if I do my calibrate on this one here, I can bring it all the way over like that. SWR, nothing, and power is about 3 watts on this one, roughly 3.5 watts. So I can set SWR with a Macronta SWR meter, but cannot set the SWR properly on the Yaesu Fc-301. So this kind of makes me think that I don't know, this thing's not meant for CB, or it just, well, obviously not meant for CB, obviously, but I don't know if anything's been fooled around with or what. I don't know if the presets down below, I don't know if any of that's been messed with or what, but it appears that the SWR bridge on this thing don't appear to be working correctly, at least what it appears. And the thing is, the band switch is not even on 10 meters. It's actually set to 15, which is 21 megahertz. Now I put it on 10, the radio goes completely silent. Calibrate, and it's the rear, and it's through the roof. Can I adjust this down? Test 1, 2. Let's do there. So, and the controls, these are really touchy. Every time you adjust, you've also got to reset this part. So right now I have an SWR of pretty nil. Now this thing, if I try to put this on SWR state again, you'll notice that the needle still don't go to set, and the control is all the way to the right. Interesting. So something's not right. It might be reading right here, no matter what this is saying, but you should be able to, this needle here, with this SWR set, it should go over to set, but it's not doing it. So I'm not sure what's going on. But in any event, it's a Yaesu Fc-301 hooked up to a Radio Shack TRC 485 upper and lower sideband radio CV. Anyway, just a quick video. If you got any ideas, suggestions on what might be screwed up with this, let me know. Like I say, this meter belongs to a friend of mine. Wants me to have a little peek, have a look at it, see if there's anything wrong with it, and at least on, I'll say, QRP levels, doesn't seem to want to work. So I don't know if this needs a lot higher wattage. Maybe it needs 25 watts to get this needle to pin over. I have no idea. But anyway, any ideas, suggestions, let me know. Again, this is the Yaesu Fc-301 antenna tuner. Alright folks, I look forward to reading your comments. All the best. And 73.